Welcome back to day number 4 of our Effol Advent Calendar unboxing. Day number 4. Day number 4. Oh, I found it. It's down here in the corner. So let's open window number 4, door number 4. See what's hiding in here. Ooh, it's a tub. And this is a container of Effol Winter Hoof Gel. This stuff is awesome. It works really well. And they did have this in last year's Advent calendar, so I'm super happy that they included it in this year's calendar as well. So this hoof gel is really nice, and it's specially formulated for use in the colder months. And it includes rich oils such as rosemary, clove, and babusu oil. Babusu oil? Babusu. And this gel will penetrate deep into the hoof, which grows slower in the winter time, and it has a long-lasting effect. It protects against dampness, mud, and moist bedding. It creates a beautiful shine, and it is doping-free. Now, it does say that it has eugenol. I don't know what that is. Eugenol in it, and that may produce an allergic reaction. So if your horse is sensitive to eugenol, then don't use this because you could have an allergic reaction. Or if you're allergic to it, don't use it because you could have an allergic reaction. And these are the containers that has like a, just kind of a flip top lid, like that. And it smells kind of minty, but it does leave a nice shine on my horse's hooves, so I'm super happy to have a little tub of the winter hoof gel. That's awesome. I love this stuff. So the winter hoof gel is day number 4 of the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. So come back tomorrow for day number 5, and we will find day number 5, door number 5, and open up the door and see what's in store. I made a rhyme. I know, I'm not very funny, but I liked it. See you tomorrow.